What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking specs on the C5 Corvette. And if you guys are new here and you guys like C5 Corvettes, or if you like square body Chevy stuff, go ahead and check out my other videos on my channel. In this video we're going to be talking on how to get your Corvette into the 400 plus wheel horsepower range. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm assuming you guys probably have a C5, or maybe you're looking into one, and you're just kind of going over mod lists and see maybe what you could get out of it. And me personally, buying one, it's probably one of the best bang for your buck sports cars right now. It has the LS1. They're fairly cheap, so I mean, what not a better platform than a C5 Corvette. So my car made 407 wheel horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 380 or 381 at about 48 or 4900 RPM. And there's other ways to make this kind of horsepower. It's not, you know, a huge number to get. I know people have went with the A&A supercharger kit and they've been making, you know, into the 5s without even opening the engine up. So that's, I mean, that's an awesome alternative if you don't want to dig into your engine. I don't know the longevity on it. I know people have had them on for a while and have no issues. So I'm sure it's all the way in how you drive your car and how it's tuned and whatnot. But I wanted to have that rumble, you know, when you're sitting at idle. I just love the sound of a cam car. So that is what I did with my car. I went with a BTR Stage 3 cam. I went with the 243 heads. I bought them on eBay. Really good price. They're used. They had a valve job. They were milled and everything. So I went 243 heads. I went the BTR Stage 3 cam kit. It had the dual valve springs. I went with the steel retainers and 7.4 inch push rods. I could use a little bit shorter push rod. I'm still in that safe range, so I went with that and I'm good. And then I put in the Fuel Injector Clinic 40-pound injectors, and then I have Speed Engineering the long tube headers and X-pipe with a Billy Boat Fusion catback exhaust. Also did put an LS6 intake on here, and if any of you guys know the 97 to 2000s, you have to cut away on the ribs on the bottom of that because the coolant crossover that runs right in the valley of the LS1. So I had to do that, which is really easy. There's plenty of videos on YouTube if you guys are interested in doing that. So that is really the only performance mods that I've done to the car. I did put a new timing chain in, oil pump, but I mean, that's not going to gain you any more horsepower. But the actual horsepower performance parts that I put on my car are those, and then I'll put everything that I did, gaskets and everything, I'll put that in my description if you guys are looking at doing the same thing I did, and that will net you over 400 horsepower. I might even be a little low, but I mean, I am perfectly happy. The car runs great. I did have an issue after the first initial tune, but I got that all squared away and everything's ready to rock, so I am super happy. Shout out to Automotive Unlimited, Jordan over there. He was the one that tuned my car. Awesome guy. Their customer service there is awesome. He said, you know, if there's any ever problems, bring it back, and just really great customer service over there. So shout out to them. All right, completely forgot to do an outro for my video, but what not a better place to do it than right here. So I did some 0 to 60 pulls. It's going to be right after this part. So what I really learned about the car is that it really comes alive at about 3,500 to 4,000 RPM. So the 0 to 60 is how I did it. Isn't really doing the car justice. I mean, I should drop the clutch a little bit higher, and I feel like the car would be a way better roll racer when it's in that 35 to 4,000 RPM range, just starting, because that's when it really starts to pull. But yeah, here are those clips. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.